So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-add ng payment method para sa earnings natin sa TikTok Shop Affiliate. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating TikTok account or yung ating TikTok app. So, dapat guys, naka-active yung inyong TikTok affiliate para maka-access tayo sa TikTok Creator Shop. So, punta muna tayo guys sa ating profile. And dito sa profile, tap nyo lang or hanapin nyo yung TikTok Studio. So, tap lang natin guys. And dito, hanapin nyo naman guys yung TikTok Shop for Creator. So, andito siya sa tab bar ng monetization. So, tap nyo lang to guys. So, pagka-open guys, dito sa TikTok Shop Creator Center, so, hanapin nyo naman dito yung earnings. So, andito siya sa TikTok Shop Toolkit. Tap nyo lang para makapag-add tayo ng payment method. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo naman, meron tayong available balance na pwedeng ma-withdraw. Pero hindi pa siya pwede ngayon guys, since may minimum amount yung pag-withdraw ng pera dito sa TikTok. So, tap muna natin guys yung withdraw balance. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung paano maglagay ng payment method kasi doon ita-transfer ni TikTok yung ating withdraw or yun yung ating magiging primary account sa pagbabayad nila. So, tap lang natin guys yung select primary account. So, ayan guys, sa paglalagay ng payment method or sa paglalagay ng payout method, meron tayong dalawang pagpipilian. So, pwede siya through bank transfer and pwede siya through GCash. So, nasa sa inyo naman yan guys kung ano yung gagamitin niyo. So, ilalagay ko na lang muna dito is GCash since marami sa ating na may GCash and mas accessible siya. So, piliin natin muna yung GCash. And dito guys, is ililink lang natin yung ating GCash. And kung nakikita niyo naman guys, may note. Entering incorrect information will result in declined transactions. And you will be responsible for any costs associated with processing your request. So, ayan guys, kapag daw may mali kayong nailagay na information sa inyong payment method, so, maaari daw ma-decline yung transactions and hindi na sila responsable doon. So, dapat maging liable kayo once na mag-create kayo or mag-add kayo ng payment method. So, lagay lang natin guys yung phone number ng ating GCash. And dito naman is yung name ninyo sa GCash. So, dapat guys, pangalan ninyo mismo yung ilalagay nyo dito para sa sarili nyong account. So, ayan guys, after malagay yung phone number and then yung name, i-enable dapat natin dito yung primary account. Scroll up natin. And tap natin guys yung submit. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nakalink na or nakaset na yung ating payment method dito sa ating TikTok Shop Affiliate. So, once guys na pwede na tayong makapag-withdraw, magta-transfer yung pera ni TikTok papunta sa ating GCash account. So, pwede nyo din to guys i-enable ng set as auto withdraw. So, tap nyo lang guys and nakasuccess na siya. Pwede nyo din naman guys gawing manual yung auto withdrawal. So, okay lang natin. And ayan guys, ito na yung ating payment method. So, nakaset up na siya. So, when the amount available for withdrawal exceeds 50, the full amount available for withdrawal will be paid to your primary bank account every Wednesday. So, ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw yung ating available amount na pwedeng ma-withdraw is lumampas na ng 50 or 50, pwede na nilang i-transfer yung pera sa ating GCash account. So, kung mapasok yan guys every Wednesday kapag naka-auto. Pero pwede nyo namang i-manual din yan guys and nasa sa inyo yun. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-add ng payment method for earnings sa ating TikTok Shop Affiliate. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day